Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're in the car.
Yes.
And we're about to go in and do a big old weekly shop in our favourite place, Aldi. Sometimes our food shops are often centred around like a what we eat in a week video, so we're often shopping maybe more than normal because we're fitting in lots of recipes, or we've got a shoot, or it's veganuary, or it's something's going on. Whereas today's video is very much just like, a proper realistic week of shopping.
Keeping things real, keeping things simple, just giving you a little snapshot into our lives.
I'm not sure how much it's going to cost. It's a fairly long list and we've got some restocking bits to do. It's been a while since we've been to Aldi. I think it was actually our last video that we shared with you guys when we went to Aldi. It was probably the last time we went.
I think it has been, yeah. And then I think after Aldi, we'll probably hit up another shop. Maybe Tesco, maybe Asda, not quite decided yet.
Because we won't be able to get everything from here, so we'll have to do this in 2 parts. And often the second part will cost more just because Aldi is so cheap, and I wish we could get everything from Aldi, but we can't, unfortunately. So come with us for a very realistic vegan weekly food shop. Home, we are going to try a little snack that we found in the middle aisle in Aldi.
We're going to do a snack review.
These are roasted fava beans by the Honest Bean Co.
What flavour do I have? I've got the black garlic and herb, and you've got barbecue flavour. So these seem like they're somewhat of a crisp replacement. That's
like
supposed to be like a healthy
graze things.
Yeah, so they advertise them as 10 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty cool. There's 3 servings in a bag, which means 30 grams of protein per bag, which is pretty cool.
They're really nice.
Are they?
The barbecue flavour is good.
They were £1.59 each. So if you imagine them...
How many servings do you get?
3 servings per bag.
Really?
Yeah, so it's like 50p a serving, basically, 53 pence a serving.
Oh, for some reason I thought that was like 10 gram serving. I was like, huh?
No.
10 grams of protein per serving.
Yeah. Let me see if I can show you these. Little beans.
Really nice. Vegan and gluten-free.
Proper nice and crunchy.
You want to do a swap?
These are really good.
Same price as a bag of crisps.
Yeah, if you had the servings.
Yummy.
Yeah. Top tier snacks for me. These are good. They seem pretty free of crap. They've got fava beans, which is 82.5% of the entire snack. The oil that they were cooked in.
And then just some seasoning. But there's no weird seasonings. It's all like onion powder, garlic powder, paprika.
One of the things that I always try and look for in a snack is could I make it at home if I wanted to?
Yeah. As in not that they're easy to make, but the list of ingredients is something you would find in your kitchen cupboard.
I like them.
I mean, I prefer the barbecue. I knew I would. I just have a barbecue flavour. As you can see, we actually got a really good amount of stuff and there isn't really much room left on the table. So I think this is a good sign of a good food shop, and I'm now going to share with you how much it will cost. So the Aldi shop cost £58.48 and the Waitrose shop cost £10 £2.90. So all of this cost us £69.38. So 70 quid for 2 people for a week's worth of food. So we got a bunch of different things. It wasn't just food. We did get some household items. We got some vitamins, some foil, some kitchen roll, and
don't forget the toilet block.
The toilet blobs. One thing to note about Aldi is that all of their household cleaning, toiletries, makeup, everything, they're all cruelty-free and vegan. So that's amazing because not a lot of supermarkets can say that for like their entire range of products. Obviously, anything in the special buys that is not an Aldi homegrown product might not be, so you'd have to check. But food-wise,
do you want to go through some of the recipes?
Yeah, I'll show you some of the recipes. And so one thing we often do is if we're not cooking loads of meals to be filmed and we're just having like a normal day as Freya and Charlie and we're not filming it and we want to eat dinner, we will look up our own recipes. Yes, we like them. We're good. They're good recipes. I think it's a good sign for us if like there are certain recipes that we always go back to that are our own, and that's how we know that it's a good recipe because we love cooking it all the time. So, and also, when you're like, oh, what can I have for dinner? What can I have for dinner? It's really cool for us. Like, this is very much a personal thing, is that we have our own like catalogue of recipes that we make. So we'll kind of like go on our Instagram and scroll it and like the inspo. And obviously we do cook other people's recipes as well. But yeah, so we're cooking some of our recipes this week. So we'll link down any of the recipes that we mentioned in the description so you can make them as well. But some of the key ones that we're going to be doing are a new recipe. And I just said not all new recipes, but one new recipe, which I won't tell you too much about, but it's going to be a risotto. And then one of our favorite recipes that we've been doing a lot recently is a ramen. And it's got this like really delicious peanut gochujang tofu and this delicious broth. Aldi did actually have ramen noodles.
We made a short for it as part of our veganuary challenge.
It's in our, it's one of our veganuary shorts. So we'll share the link to that.
The whole playlist.
It's on, you can watch it on YouTube, but also if you follow us on Instagram and TikTok, also over there. But yeah, I don't know if these are, it says are new. So hopefully it's new to stay. I don't know if it's just specially brought in for the Lunar New Year, which was recently. But hopefully these are going to stick around. So we've got 2 packs of these. If we get two in packs, there's 4 different portions. And then, so we're going to have that one night. We're going to have the risotto another night.
They also had the udon noodles in, which we haven't seen before.
Yeah. Both of these were new, which is just good to see because Aldi often, things like their pastas and their grains and their noodles, often they're quite basic options. But recently I have noticed they've been bringing out more kind of variation in these kind of things. So yeah, we're going to be doing that tonight. And we're filming that as well.
With some nice shiitake mushrooms.
Yes, a miso udon noodle. Then for breakfast, when we're not filming, we do keep it pretty simple. Like, we kind of just tend to have the same thing or 2 things for a week. So it's either some variation on oats, whether that's an overnight oats or a porridge or baked oats or chaya puddingy type thing. So we're going to be doing overnight oats this week. We had most of the stuff in already. We had the oats. We did get 4 things of unsweetened soya because they're only 50p. So when you're there, we've tried to stock up because these are long life, so they just go in the cupboard. We also got 2 different nut butters this week. The classic trusty smooth peanut butter, which we get every time we go, and just brings me so much joy having a new one of these that's just like clean and hasn't had Charlie's smeary peanut butter down the edge. And then we also got...
It's not just me. Actually, it probably is just me. Do love peanut butter.
We love having, as a snack, apple with peanut butter. So we did actually buy some apples. Wonky apples. We got a lot of wonky fruit and veg from Aldi today, which is great. I know we complain about the plastic a lot.
We also got wonky cherries and wonky blueberries, didn't we?
We got some nice bread from Waitrose. Bread is one thing that we would rather spend a bit more money on if we're going to buy bread. So we tend to buy our bread from the local bakery. And then for lunches, we're going to be doing one of our favourite soups that we make, which is the cauliflower and white bean soup. We did also buy a few things that we don't really need, but because we were there, we just grabbed them. Like, this isn't actually on the menu this week, but the green lentils and the black beans, maybe we'll make something with them next week. and same
Lots and lots of tofu.
with the milk. Like, we didn't really need 4 things, but
And we've got
go once a month.
tofu on the menu this week, but we went a bit crazy with the amount that we bought.
Well, they're quite small, really, compared to like the tofu coat, which is what we use. But we're having this in the ramen, so we'll maybe use like 2 packs of that, and then we're going to be doing a whipped tofu and tomato toast for lunch one day. So that's what these are for. And we have done a whipped tofu recipe, so I'll share that in the description as well. But yeah, we got a lot, and they last a long time, and they're only 89p. They're so cheap, so we bought 6, but this won't last as long because we do eat it like every other day. So yeah, we've got some really nice kind of warming, hearty, wintry meals. The risotto, the soup, the noodles, all of our favourite kind of things, plus some nice little snacks, bread, store cupboard essentials, and our household items for 70 quid. We probably will need to buy a few little bits over the weekend because we don't tend to buy that far in advance, just because you don't really know what your plans are going to be, or things don't stay fresh that long because it's Monday today. But yeah, I'm very happy with how much we got.
Pretty happy with everything we managed to get for the price. I mean, for what, £35 per person, if you take off some of the like things that we didn't have to buy, you're looking at more like £30 per person, really.
But I also think that's part of like what a realistic shop is.
That's true.
Sometimes you get distracted. We almost bought some fake Crocs in Aldi.
That damn middle aisle.
That's very real.
It's so hard to like not get drawn in by that middle aisle.
Exactly. And
maybe I do need a new power drill.
yeah, what was the thing? A window vacuum. I was like, oh, vacuum all the humidity.
We did get our snacks from the middle aisle, so I guess we can't say we didn't get anything.
But it wasn't unnecessary crap that will just live in the house.
No, it was necessary snack that will live in me.
Exactly. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this realistic, wintry vegan food shop that we did.
If you like this kind of video, if you love watching food shops, we've got loads on our channel, all kinds of different ones that have like a meal plan attached or are more budget focused. So you can go and find those videos on our channel.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video, and we will see you next time.
Bye.